bulldozer!
Damn it! Here!
Don't die! I came, I saw, I cut them to shreds! Protect the dozer!
Oh, don't shoot me, you bloated bag of troll blood! You slippery shit! Guys, get to work! There's sparks all over the dozer! As good as new, already.
The drill dozer is out of fuel. You need to refill the fuel canisters mounted on its back. Use the canisters to extract any nearby oil shale, and we'll have the drill dozer operational again in no time.
Keep Loretta safe! This one's for Carl! Little Dottie fixed! Eat it!
Dance with this! Platform!
Oil shale here. Anyone needs ammo? Donkey, there's nitro. Donkey, come here. Ooh, we gotta protect Loretta. Crusher! Loretta healed!
We need oil, not soil! Gotta look.
Time to find Molly! Molly! Good.
The drill dozer is under attack. Get it fixed up before we lose it.
Just need one more, lad. Loretta! One sentry gun ready.
Die, you double-jointed freaks! Die!
Sometimes I wonder if mining is all there is to it. Look there!
Come here!
Whack-a-mole!
Die like you're one again! Party one down! Guys! Keep those bloody bodies off the bulldozer!
That was good. Thank you.
All canisters fueled. Drill dozers ready to make more progress.
Let there be light! We need to protect Doretta!
Resupply ordered!
Supplies are on the way.
Another day at the office. That's all!
Resupply arrived! Go restock!
Getting
I'm
supplies!
taking some of the ammo.
Much better.
Grabbing ammo. Ammo taken. Getting more ammo. Ready to kill some more.
Getting more
traitors.
ammo.
Grabbing ammo.
Taste the pickaxe!
Yeah.
I owe you one.
This is a drill dozer. It drills.
Here we go. Drill dozer setting off for the Amaran Heartstone.
Quick! Someone debug the dozer!
Dozer repaired.
Lighting!
Contact. Swarm approaching the drill dozer. Hunker down and load up.
And load it! Sentry gun needs assembly! It's armed and ready.
Bacteria Troy living like a kid. I was born ready. Rot! Here, get into cover.
You least bungling son of a
Red sugar will make you feel better. Wait, we're forgetting the dozer.
Drill dozer fix! I needed that.
Check the dozer. Stuck on this, you freaking Why are you shooting at me? Don't dim with Red Burster.
Keep those bloody bugs off the drill dozer! You want some more?
Drill dozer has reached the target. The Amaran Heartstone is jamming our readings, but we expect heavy pressure when the drilling commences.
Vamos! Molly!
Flares up!
Nitra! It's a mystery to me how all these minerals fit inside.
Lighting up!
Bam! Bam!
Move your tin ass over here, hurry, please. Where is that tent? Platform created.
Music to my ears.
Platform! Platform's nice.
Nicely done, team. You have secured yourself a nice bonus.
Let there be light.
Zip line up.
Doretta could really use armor.
Dwarves don't die.
Eat it!
I'm out.
Drill Dozer has begun cracking the Omoran shell. If you lose the Dozer, you lose the mission, so guard it well against any hostiles. Attention team, to keep the Drill Dozer running at full capacity, you need to keep it clear of bugs. Also, we got an incoming swarm.
Make a gas line,
Stand back, supply car inbound.
Shield up.
Swarm! I repeat, swarm!
We need to fix Doretta. Explosions, right. I'll never get the smell out of my armor. I ain't gonna kill you again.
Rise inside! So lie down for
Shield up.
ammo taken.
just broken through the crust of the Omeran.
Omeran rock attack. One sentry gun now ready to be coming in.
Stand and roll! Give no quarter!
Kill or be killed.
Repair the drill dozer! Anyone guarding the drill dozer? Get it! That's gonna cost you a round at this wall.
Friendlies! Friendlies!
Get into cover! I'm taking some of the...
We've got a big horde of enemies approaching the drill dozer. Defend it or die trying.
Take a distant whale piper!
The drill dozer is at the halfway point. Keep it running. Contact! Lock and load!
Bandage stays on! She's getting squashed! Never felt better. Lloyd is up. It wasn't time. I was born ready.
Attack Doretta! Die, you double-jointed freaks! Die! Shield placed! Repair the dozer before it takes permanent damage! Doretta, repair! Skull Crusher! Gotta stir it, mix! Don't waste your ammunition!
Bandage stays on.
What? Get to work! There's sparks all over the dozer!
Extraction at 75%. Almost there.
We gotta deal with the beamers.
Mike! Take Booyah!
What's this? Time to fill the air with lead!
Swarm on the intercept course. Get ready to protect the drill dozer.
Yes!
Swarm, they're here.
Locked and loaded. Fire cluster kill! Shield interplanetary. No! Why are you shooting that way? Explosives! Ice! Be gone!
Loretta is purring like a kid. Think some freaks, mate. Mind your bloody fire.
Line 'em up.
It's gonna be a sober occasion.
Bloody hell, you're hot to kill!
Lord!
The bugs are swarming Doretta! It's perforation time! Watch the fire, moron! I'll think again!
Permanent damage done to the drill dozer. Keep those things off it. That's an order.
Dozer, repair!
Gotta go fast.
Roger that. Supplies are coming.
Under attack! Here we go! The order for flight. Coming to ship.
We gotta fix them!
And we'll take it. Yes.
The drill dozer served its purpose. The Heartstone is ours. Deposit it and wrap up the mission.
I need the damn minecart on legs. Where is it?
I'm taking some of the ammo.
I ordered a resupply.
Red sugar!
Supply drop has been ordered and is on the way.
Wait!
Nicely done. Omeran Heartstone secured. Call the drop pod when you're ready.
Shield
Molly's on the
charged
way.
and ready.
Supply pod is here. Everybody
Getting
collect ammunition.
supplies!
The tin can is surely hungry today.
Yeah! Give me some sugar! Ooh!
Don't got room for more.
glad I ain't the one to sort this stuff.
Getting more ammo. Yeah.
We're sending in the drop pod. Head for LZ.
Lights up. Lock and load it.
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes. The mule has been successfully retrieved. Make it snappy, team. The drop pod won't hang around forever. Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Taste the pickaxe!
One to the books. Retrieving escape pod.
Rock and roll and stone!
Line back! We rock and stone! Rock and stone!
Shield
Rock
ready.
and stone to the bone!